Are you guys ready for an adventure? What's that? A fridge?
You're right.
Wow, it's compact and handy. Why do you look so breezy?
Of course, the APL20 is super lightweight, weighing less than 3 gallons of milk. This is due to the all-aluminum body and ICECO's lightest compressor.
What kind of compressor?
You'll see later.
Hey, where are you going?
Going surfing.
It would be great to have a cold drink right now.
Well, isn't that right?
So refreshing. Oh, shoot. Watch out, the water got on the fridge.
It's aluminum. Won't get rusted easily.
What if the battery runs out?
No worries.
Wait. So it even has solar panels and an external power supply connected?
Yeah, so we can stay cool on the road at all times and don't have to worry about power.
What? This thing can be connected to a smartphone?
Yeah, you can also adjust the temperature and change modes through the app.
Is this the compressor you guys mentioned earlier? It spins fast, I see. Amazing! It reaches -4 degrees Fahrenheit so quickly. Smells good. It's awesome to be able to enjoy such fresh food outdoors. Oh, don't get your hand caught.
No need to worry. The lid can hover at multiple angles.
Ready to sleep? Well, I wouldn't want to break the atmosphere. The APL20 is super quiet.